Welcome to Vision Academy. Today, we are going to explore an absolutely mind-blowing AI tool that can create 100% realistic UGC ads, and the best part is, it's completely free. The tool's name is CloneViral AI, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to generate high-quality UGC ads for your brand or product without hiring any actor, model, or voice artist. Let's see the videos generated using this AI at the end of this tutorial. In this video, we will learn step-by-step how to generate professional UGC ads using CloneViral AI. So, let's begin.
Open a new web browser tab and go to Amazon.com. In the search bar, type lipstick for women. Press enter and you'll see a wide variety of lipsticks available on Amazon. You can scroll through and choose any one of them. For this demo, I'll pick this particular lipstick that looks elegant and has good reviews. Now copy the title of this product. This title will be useful when we generate the ad script later. Right-click on the image of the lipstick and click on Save Image As. Download the image to your computer so that we can use it inside CloneViral AI in a few minutes. Next, open a new browser tab and search for ChatGPT. If you're not logged in, log in with your account first. Once you're inside ChatGPT, type this prompt in the message box. Generate a UGC ad script for the lipstick. Then, paste the title of the lipstick that you copied from Amazon, right after that sentence. Hit the Submit button and ChatGPT will generate a perfect UGC ad script for your product. It usually includes an engaging introduction, a short story or testimonial-style pitch, and a call to action that feels natural and relatable. Review the script carefully. You can tweak a few words to make it sound more authentic or conversational. Once you're happy with it, copy the entire script text. We'll use it shortly. Now, open another new browser tab and search for CloneViral AI. Click on the official link from the results to open the CloneViral AI website. On the home page, look at the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. You will notice multiple logging options, such as Continue with Google, Continue with Apple, or you can manually enter your email and password. I will click on Continue with Google because it's quick and convenient. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the CloneViral AI dashboard. Here, you can see that the platform gives us 500 free credits. That's quite enough to create a few UGC ads and test the quality before upgrading. Now, on the left-hand side menu, you'll find different features. Click on Video, and from the options, select UGC Ads Generator. This is where the magic happens. On this page, you'll see multiple selling templates. Each template is designed for a different type of product or service. Browse through them and select the one that best fits your product. Since we are creating a UGC ad for lipstick, we'll choose the template that focuses on beauty or personal care products. It usually works perfectly for cosmetics and skincare brands. After selecting the template, click on the Next button. Now, CloneViral AI asks you to upload two things: the avatar image and the product image. Under Upload Avatar, click on the Upload button and select an image of a person. I already downloaded an avatar image from Pexels.com earlier, so I'll choose that one. This avatar will act as the virtual influencer who will appear in your ad. Next, under Upload Product, click on the Upload button and choose the lipstick image that we downloaded from Amazon earlier. This will represent the product being promoted in your video. Once both images are uploaded, click on the Next button. Now comes the fun part. CloneViral AI allows you to choose specific actions for the avatar. You can pick from gestures like smiling, nodding approvingly, making hand movements, or looking directly at the camera. These small details make the video feel more human and natural. Choose the actions that fit your product's mood. For lipstick, I'll select smiling and looking directly at the camera because it makes the presentation engaging. Click on the Next button. Now you'll see a text box asking, what should the avatar say? This is where we paste the ad script we generated earlier using ChatGPT. So go back to your ChatGPT tab, copy the full script, come back to CloneViral AI and paste it in the box. Now click on the Next button. The next screen lets you choose the voice settings. You can select the voice type, such as male or female, or simply keep it on auto. I'll leave it as auto. Then, under emotion, you can pick from options like cheerful, excited, or neutral. For a lipstick ad, I'll again keep it on auto because the AI usually matches the tone very well. Set the language to English and the accent to auto. Click on Next. Now, CloneViral AI gives you an option to add background audio. This step is optional. If you want, you can upload a soft background music track to make your ad sound more professional. For now, I'll skip this step and leave it as it is. Click on Next again. Now we are on the final setup screen. Here, you'll choose the video model. You'll notice two versions available: Google VO 3.1 and Google VO 3 1 Fast. If you want higher quality and don't mind waiting a few extra minutes, select Google VO 3.1. If you want faster generation, choose the fast version. I'll go with Google VO 3.1 for better results. Next, choose the aspect ratio. Since UGC ads are mostly used on social media platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, portrait orientation works best. So I'll select the portrait aspect ratio. Finally, click on the Generate UGC Ad button. Now sit back and wait for the magic to happen. The AI will take a few moments to generate your video. During this time, CloneViral AI analyzes your script, syncs it with the avatar's lip movements and gestures, adds voice and expressions, and renders a fully realistic video. Once the video is ready, you'll see the preview on your screen. Click play and watch the video.
Okay, I think I just found the perfect red lipstick hang, and you won't believe how smooth it feels.
You'll notice how natural and convincing it looks. The avatar seems to be talking directly to the audience, showcasing the lipstick in a friendly and persuasive way, just like a real human influencer would. If you like the result, click on the download button to save the video onto your computer. You can now use this video for your brand promotions, social media ads, or even YouTube campaigns. And that's it. You have successfully created a realistic UGC ad using CloneViral AI without spending a single dollar. Now it's time to check out the video generated by CloneViral AI.
Okay, I think I just found the perfect red lipstick hang, and you won't believe how smooth it feels.
As you can see, the quality is incredibly realistic. The AI avatar speaks naturally, the lip sync is perfect, and the background looks professional. It's hard to believe this was created entirely by AI. With CloneViral AI, you can generate unlimited ad ideas for products like cosmetics, gadgets, fashion accessories, or even digital services. The possibilities are endless. That's how you can create 100% realistic UGC ads using AI for free. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Vision Academy for more AI tutorials, tools, and automation guides. Thank you so much for watching. This is Vision Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.